In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a widely used platform for communication and collaboration, and renaming a group chat can be really helpful for better organization, especially as project names and team members may change over time. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL to navigate there. You'll be greeted with the familiar login screen. Enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions, as sometimes restrictions might be in place if you're part of an organization. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to scan your Teams interface. On the left-hand menu, you'll find the Chat section. Click on it to view your recent conversations and group chats. Now locate the specific group chat you'd like to rename. This might involve a quick search or simply scrolling through your list if it's a recent chat. Click on the group chat to open it. Once inside the group chat, your next focus is the pencil icon. You should see this icon somewhere near the top of your chat interface, near the group's name, and other options. Clicking this pencil icon is key as it indicates the ability to edit or rename. Now you're at the crucial part where you rename the group. Clicking the pencil icon will allow you to type directly in the field where the group's current name is displayed. Here, you can type your desired new name for the group chat. Choose a name that reflects the purpose or content of the chat for easy identification later on. Keep it simple, yet descriptive enough to be clear to all members who are part of the conversation. Lastly, after you've typed in your new group name, you'll see the Save option. Go ahead and click that to confirm the change. It's always good to make sure the new name has been correctly updated, so check that it reflects throughout your Teams interface. This should happen immediately, but sometimes a quick refresh might be necessary if you don't see the changes right away. That's all there is to it. Renaming your group chat can help keep your Microsoft Teams organized and ensure everyone on your team is on the same page. Whether for a temporary project, a shift in roles, or simply to better categorize your chats, these steps will guide you easily through the process. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next guide.